LG washer complaint that washer is not completing the cycle and receiving a error code of an IE error code. First observation, notice that these counterbalance tub rings have liquid inside of the ring to help counterbalance the close when going into a high RPM spin. Sometimes the material in which they use, such as oil and water, and they'll also use BBs to help counterbalance an out of balance load. Well, sometimes the internal fluid loses its fluidity and starts hardening, and can cause the washer to balance out of balance and not help with maintaining a balance when adding close. Usually it's on large loads that vibrates the most. Put it on spin. Door lock checks good. Outer tub just locked so that the basket can spin. The focus is on the tub ring, and there should be a centrifugal balance in its spin, and you can see that it's not aligned in its spin. You can also see how the internal basket moves without any loads of clothes in there. Variables of clothes will amplify the movement. With no close and spin, I would say that it's a little bit too much movement, which will easily cause your clothes to become out of balance. This is at 400 RPMs, approaching 600 RPMs. Vibration increases, or the movement of the internal basket moving side to side is increasing. You can tell by looking at the edge here, and that movement will just amplify, causing an easy out of balance load, which then will cause an error code. Replacing the tub balance ring, and also replacing the outer tub suspension rods, which will be 4 in each corner. One here, one here, one here, and one here. After releasing your top panel to access the suspension rods, replacing your suspension rods should help dampen the load so it's not going out of balance so easily. LG washer conclusion: due to the nature of the repair, having to replace the basket tub ring, which would be this component here, for the counterbalance of a load, and also the 4 suspension struts. That would not be considered a repair of convenience, nor a repair of practical. You can purchase these new for around $500. The repair would be 2/3 the cost new. Would exceed 2/3 the cost new.
Parts. This call may be recorded for quality purposes. All of our agents are currently assisting other callers. Please continue to hold for the next available customer service representative.
LG washer. Model number is Whiskey Tango 1101 Charlie Whiskey. Get a part number, retail price, location for the suspension, the 4 suspension struts, and also the counterbalance ring.
Thank you. I believe I understand the question. Please stand by for a moment while I enter that model number into the LG website. That is a valid model number. It looks like there's 3 different production models. Especially for the suspension rods, I want to make sure that I get the right one because they can be manufactured in different countries. Do you have the production model code available? It's going to be a long alphanumeric sequence that starts with Tango 122.
Tango 1227 Alpha Golf Papa Papa Alpha Bravo Whiskey Echo Papa Umbrella Sierra.
Copy that. That's exactly what I needed. Thank you for doing that, sir. All right, let me get out to the exploded view. I found the suspension rods and confirmed that it is an assembly of 4. And the second piece was the counterbalance. Start you with the suspension assembly. When you're ready, I'll give you the part number.
Okay.
It's going to be Alpha Juliet Kilo 72909308. And for the balance assembly, the part number is Alpha Alpha Juliet 72909602.
It was Alpha Alpha Juliet 72909602.
Copy that. That's exactly right.
Alpha Juliet Kilo 72909308.
Exactly.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Absolutely. Happy holidays. Bye-bye.
Bye now. LG Topload Washer, current to date, retail for $700.